Hi, everybody. John Pasanchik here to give you my Bitcoin analysis for February 3rd, 2021. Hey, a lot of exciting things are happening here in Bitcoin. And the other day I gave an analysis and I said we are coming to a point where something explosive is about to happen. At the time I gave the reason, what you should look for it to go to the upside and to the downside. And what's happening here now is it is playing out to the upside. So what I'd like to do is share my screen here. And it's a different looking screen for everybody. It's a brand new one. I like this a lot. So let me go to my screen so I can have a better view. Okay, so the other day on the last time I gave an analysis was actually, I think, on the 1st or the last day of January. I should have looked up the date, but in any case, I put these trend lines in because we were starting to form a wedge. And I said, look, if we break to the downside, here's where you need to be looking for. If we break to the upside, here's what we need to be looking for. Well, we broke to the upside. Yesterday, we broke through this trend line. We broke through this trend line to the upside. And today, we carried through on that. This trend line was very important. It held, significant moves, like that one day that we shot up to 38,000. We came down immediately. So that trend line was being respected. And yesterday we broke through it to the upside. Very, very important. And we did not come back down. Today we continued upside progress. And it brought us to 37,000, and we have a new bar here starting the new day, another new day. So I guess you look at that as it's tomorrow. But in any case, so we are traveling up. So here's what I'm looking at. We should really wind up coming up to this level, which is around the 38,500 level. I would expect us to get to that level, and we have to see what happens. If we break through that, then we should have clear sailing up to around $42,000 per Bitcoin. And this is going to be like immediate. Now, this pink area here is a level of resistance that is clearly defined. So we have to respect that. But so at the very least, if we break 38,000, we should continue to go up to around 42,000. Now, having said that, once we get there, we still have this trend line that is traveling up. So if we do get to the 42,000, there's a good chance we're going to bounce off of that a little bit and come and test this uptrend that we have defined over here. And how we trade with that is going to be very important. If that holds, then we will definitely break the 42,000 level to the upside. This is very, very important. So once again, important levels that we need to look at to the upside is 38,500. If we break through that, we get to around 42,000, 41,000. Yeah, call it 42,000 even. If we break that immediately, then we keep sailing. If that serves as some level of resistance, then this trend line that we have working over here should hold in. In addition, if we do bounce off the 42,000 and we come down immediately, we have to see how we trade at the 38,000 level as not resistance anymore, but support. Okay, so that's very, very important. So with that said, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, same thing. We broke through this trend line, and we have been trending very, very nicely. This green indicates a very, very strong level of support that was put in there, and we are traveling up. So same type of thing. We're looking to get to around the 38,000, and on the 4-hour chart, we have heavy duty resistance coming in at just about 37,800. So that is something to take a look at as we travel to this resistance level of 38,500. I'm sorry. Yeah, 38,500. So keep your eye on that. In the 1-hour chart, we have been trending. That is a clear trend to the upside. Very nice. Almost a straight shot. The absolutely nothing impeding it. That is really, really a beautiful classic trend line. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we are in a zone of resistance, but even with the 15-minute chart, we have had a very nice move upwards. Once we broke out of the resistance area. So going forward, just to repeat, we should be seeing 38,700 coming in short order. And if we break through that resistance, then we should get to at least 42,000 in round numbers. Okay, so let me bring myself back over here. So this is very exciting because if you were taking my advice and picking up small lots of Bitcoin as we were, kind of coming down and doing the correction, then you are seeing a profit from that, this might be the last call before we have a little bit of a moonshot. I'm very excited. I am very bullish. And I happen to think that Bitcoin is going to turn a lot of people into millionaires, particularly with my overall forecast of this year getting somewhere in excess of $200,000 a coin. All right, so that is my my analysis. I hope you like it. Please, if you like this, please hit the like button on Facebook. Leave a comment. If you're looking at this, if you're watching this on YouTube, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and you could leave a comment there too. I just can't tell you how excited I am. This is really, really cool. All right, so thank you very much. I did manage to keep this under 10 minutes. So have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.